The new PTV app has all your travel needs in one place. Get quicker access to live service and disruption information with the option to turn on notifications for real-time updates. View your nearby and next departures with route numbers now displayed in the journey plan summary. With live vehicle tracking, search for your stop and watch as your vehicle arrives. Get notified with real-time travel alerts. Stay up to date by visiting the news section for public transport information. For quicker access to your travel information, save your favourite journeys, locations, stations and stops. Navigate the new PTV app with ease with accessibility features, including large font options and voiceover capability. Train departing now at 4:07 p.m. Find out myki fare estimates instantly for every trip. And enjoy quick access to myki top-up and myki outlet locations. Explore the new look PTV app now.